Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Some refrigerators have small microswitches inside the dispenser. When you push the arm, it triggers the microswitch and closes the circuit. For water dispensers, this opens the water valve. For ice dispensers, this turns on the ice auger motor, which pushes the ice forward. A faulty microswitch can prevent the release of ice cubes, crushed ice, or water. In this episode, first, we'll do some tests with a multimeter. Then we'll see how to install a new microswitch. Keep in mind, there might be other components preventing the dispenser from working properly. You can learn more in the troubleshooting videos linked below. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver and a multimeter. Keep in mind there is some variation between models, and not all refrigerators will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website to see a parts breakdown. This can be helpful to show you which parts are in your refrigerator and where they are located. First, slide the refrigerator out from the wall. When there is enough room, unplug the cord to disconnect the power. Close the shutoff valve to turn off the water supply. In this case, you can work on the refrigerator in place with it still against the wall. First, remove the display module. In some models, this will be held in by screws. Other models will snap into place. You can use a flat blade screwdriver to help release the panel. Now, take a picture of the wires for reference. Next, disconnect the wires. Now, remove the display module. In most cases, the microswitch can be tested while it's still mounted in place. First, disconnect the wires. Now, set your multimeter to the ohms or resistance setting. Touch the probes to each terminal. The switch is normally open and should have no resistance and no continuity. When you press the switch closed, it should have a resistance between 0 and 1 ohm. This is continuity. Repeat the test for the other switch. If there is no resistance and no continuity, then the switch is faulty and should be replaced. To remove the dispenser assembly, you'll have to disconnect the wires. Now remove the mounting screws. Next, remove the assembly. The microswitch is usually held in by several mounting screws. Loosen the screws and remove the switch. Align the new microswitch and tighten the screws. Align the dispenser assembly onto the mount. Now tighten the screws. Next, reconnect the wires. If needed, align the tube into the mount. Reconnect the wire harness. Align the display module onto the mount. Now tighten the screws. If needed, replace the outer panel. Open the shutoff valve. Plug in the cord to reconnect the power. Now slide it back into place. Make sure to leave a couple of inches of space between the refrigerator and the wall. This will allow for proper airflow. Now test the refrigerator to see if it's working properly. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.